Assalamu alaikum my dear viewers, how are you? I hope you all are will be fine. The story I am going to tell you today, it is a story of young man Abraham who is just 22 years old guy, and he is a graduated man. He is an engineer by profession and he worked at the local company of engineering. He got married at quite early young age. When he got married, he was unemployed. After he is married, he had to get a job to survive. He was working in a local engineering company and he was making good money, and the money he made, he, his wife and his father, they three were happy with the money. There were just only 3 members in his home: he, his wife Amelia and his father James, and the money he made, it was sufficient for these 3 to survive. The most important thing, his wife Amelia, she did not demand anything from him extra. She was happy with the little wealth her husband had. She did not demand him anything extraordinary. She was happy with him, and these 3 people were living good and pleasant life. One day, a very wild idea came into his mind of Abraham. Abraham thought that he must make a lot of money. In order to have luxurious life, he must work some another company. He joined the another company in the evening and he started working there. He wanted to work there to make more money, but he ignored the fact that money is not everything. A lot of people did not know this fact. In fact, the mental peace is necessary to live a peaceful and good and balanced life. He joined the company, he started working there and he made money, and he was thinking that he must continue his job to make his life more prosper and more sufficient and more luxurious. After 2 years, he realized that he was losing some important things in his life. He was missing. The first thing he lost, it was the company of his wife. For example, as usual, when he was working just in the single company in the morning, in the evening when he got home, his wife welcomed him, she offered him drink, she offered him dinner. Second thing he lost, it was his mental peace. The mental peace was that he got peace when he remained at home in the company of his wife. Both Amelia and Abraham were happy in the company of each other, because nature has made these 2 genetics to rely each other. And Amelia demanded his time and he could not provide her proper time, because he had to work in the evening in another company to make more money, and in the greed of making more money, he had to lose all these pleasures. He had to lose the company of his wife, he had to lose the pleasures he had with his wife, and he had to lose many more other things. Time passed away. Almost 5 years passed. After 5 years, unfortunately, one day he suffered from diabetes. He got to doctor, he examined it, and doctor told him that he is a patient of diabetes. When he became the patient of diabetes, he had to take care of his health. Before working in the company in the evening, he was happy. He was living a healthy, balanced and pleasure life. But now he had become a patient of diabetes. He had to take care of his health. He ignored his health and kept working in the company. 2 years more passed away. After 2 years, one day he realized that he was eating his dinner. He is not getting the taste of his meal, because nature had given the proper taste in human tongue that he had lost. He was eating apple and he did not taste the apple well. He could not feel the taste of apple. He could not taste the any other meal. Even he could not make the difference of the taste of different foods. That's very stunning for him. He went to doctor Doctor provided him some multivitamins to survive and to restore his taste. But multivitamin did not provide him any relief. He went to another doctor. After 1 year, when he had visited a lot of practitioners and doctors, he failed. And the money throughout the year he made, he had to spend on his health. In order to restore his life, he had to spend money on his health. And the money in 6 to 7 years he made by working extra in the evening in the company, he had to lose all the money. When he lost all the money on his treatment, still he was unable to restore his health. He was not healthy than he was before. It was a big disaster for him. His wife Amelia survived with him with all these challenges. He did not give her proper time. She survived. He was thinking that he provided her every luxury of life and she was happy. He was wrong. What a woman needs, she needs man's time. If he does not give her, she ignored him. She survived with him 7 years when he was unable to give her his proper time. After 7 years, when he was on his bed, she left home. She went to her home, to her parents, and he was alone with his father. When he was working in the company in the evening, his father James advised him bundle of times not to work in the evening and learn to live a balanced life with the money he was making in the work of the morning. But he ignored the advice of his father. And now he was on his bed. He realized the advice of his father. He went to his father and told him all about his life. His father encouraged him and he sent him into the church. When he got church, he prayed there. He prayed to God and he realized the flaws of his personality. He thought that money could buy every luxury of life. But when he was working in a single company, he was happy with this little money. He had to give a good company to his wife. He was enjoying the company of his wife. He was enjoying the good meals, good health. Now he had lost everything. He had lost his wife. He had lost health. He had lost money. And in the greed of money, he lost everything. He prayed to God and now he begged pardon to God. 1 week passed away and after a week he got recovered. He started getting the taste of meal. Now when he became healthier again, his wife Amelia got back. He begged pardon to her and he promised her he would give her proper time and he would be happy with her with the little money he had, and he would not tease her anymore, and they started living together. Likewise, as a human being, we should not ignore the mental peace and good health. Health is the greatest wealth in the world. Money cannot buy a good health. Thank you for watching.